Hey YouTube. A while back I mentioned building a gun rack. Well, I built it. The filming this video turned out to be, well, about the most aggravating video I've ever made. I was dealing with the phone battery trying to die on me, the phone running out of storage and everything else, and I've done absolutely got aggravated with it. The project's finished, and y'all gonna see the video. I'm probably gonna have to upload it in about 4 different parts, but I'll put them in a playlist to where you can just click on the playlist and they'll all automatically play for you or something like that. But either way, I've done absolutely got aggravated with this video. All right, y'all have a good day and get ready for the video.